Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at another LEGO Polybag. And this one is Polybag 30496, and this is the Star Wars U-Wing Fighter. Now, if you enjoy this kind of video, the LEGO Polybag build along, please think about subscribing and also turning on notifications, because I have one of these videos a day. I have one of these videos a day coming for the foreseeable future. So if you enjoy this kind of thing, there's a bunch on the way. Also, if you're interested in this particular set and building along with me, I've included links in the description for where you can find the set on Bricklink and on Amazon, and also the brick set link for it if you just want information about it. Those microfighters are kind of interesting, I guess. They're sort of like little polybag sets, but you definitely get a minifig. I don't know. I might have to look at a couple of those. Check them out. If any of y'all have tried any of the microfighters, let me know in the comments what you think. They're kind of cool looking. I like the TIE Fighter. The Imperial shuttle looks kind of dumb, but what the heck. I guess I'm skipping ahead a little bit. Alright, so let's get this thing put together. Oh, there's also a link in the description for a Google spreadsheet that has information and links for LEGO Polybags, like my LEGO Polybag build-alongs, past, present, well, this one, and future. So if you want to build along with future ones, I've included links for upcoming ones as well. So we need a 3x3. That's kind of a weird size. What the heck? Alright, so that goes right there. That's kind of an interesting setup. And then we have this and this piece. I guess it's this one. Doesn't necessarily look like that, but I guess that's what it is. Alright. So we got that. And so what we need now is to fold this so we can see all of it. There we go. Much better. Alright. So we add 2 wing pieces to the back. So wing piece 1 and wing piece 2. And then 2 1x2s. Like so. And like so. And then 2 bigger wing pieces added to the front. Like that. And like this. Yeah, it's already starting to look like a ship. And we add a 1x3. Alright. Not seeing the U part of the U-wing yet, but maybe they're sort of headed that way. So we got that. Now what we got to do is, oh, that's not the right piece. It's like I grabbed for it and I did not get it. So got a 1x3 goes there, 2x3 goes in right there, and an inexplicably orange or yellow one right there. And then this will be part of the future cockpit, like so. And then we have the transparent cheese wedge to be the front of the canopy. And then we got a it's kind of funny looking. I was kind of expecting a transparent tile instead of a white tile. Alright. that part right there doesn't feel like it's sticking together very well. Alright, so I got that, and then that piece goes there, and we have these two blue grills, there and there. Alright, that takes care of that. So next, we build the front parts of the U. Alright, fair enough. So we need 2 of these. So 2 1x3s, 2 1x4 tiles, like so, and like so, and then 2 1x1 blue tiles on the end piece. So that's the first one, and the second one. And then these go right here. Well, it's definitely making it more U-wingy. That does not sound like a good way to say it. U-wingy. Alright, anyway. So we'll set this aside for now, and we'll deal with the back piece. So we got that, and this piece goes here, like so. And we got 2 of these little 1x1 things right there. It's kind of hard to tell the color of those, isn't it? It's like, this is like the dark gray, and this looks almost like it looks sort of like one of the silvers. Anyway. Alright, so this piece is on top right here, like that. And then these 2 pieces go on the sides, like so. And then we have a 1x6 that goes on top of them. And then these 2 white pieces go up here and here. And then add in that. Like so. Alright. And so what we got to do is we got to do 4 of those. Alright. So we're going to do 4 of those. Okay, that's kind of interesting. So for these, I'm going to sort of do it a little out of order, because these little white things are going to go on the ends, like so. And so I'll knock these out in the beginning to make things a little easier on me, because they're going to snap in to these things right here. I'll tell you what's kind of weird. Have y'all seen any of these orange ones with the hole in them? Like right there? It seems kind of weird. Like, I don't think I've seen any orange ones like those. Alright, so with it facing like this, let's make sure I don't snap these in all the wrong direction. So you snap these in like so. And then we add the cones to them. Add the cones to the back part. And so that's like so. 1 cone, 2 cones, 3 cones, and the last cone, like so. And after we do that, we add on the orange pieces. So, one orange piece, 2, 3, and 4, like so. Actually, that's kind of a cool looking thruster assembly, isn't it? And then this connects like so to the back of that. Is it adjustable? Probably not supposed to be adjustable. So it snaps in like that. That's kind of cool looking. I tell you what's sort of funny. You have a good place to hold it right here. I don't know if that was intentional or not, but you know. Neat. It's kind of a neat looking one. And now, extra pieces wise, we got a bunch of extra pieces. We got a transparent cheese slope and a 1x1 tile and a couple other ones. That's kind of a neat one. Neat little ship. Anyway, let me know what you think. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.